Maybe you want extra security for your car. Or maybe you need video proof in case of an accident. Or maybe you just want a camera rolling to capture the truly bizarre things that happen on your drive home. Today, we're test driving the ORIbox dash cam, front-rear camera. And at the end, we give it away. So here's the deal. The conditions to enter have recently changed. So make sure you're subscribed and stick around until the ending to find out how you can win. Don't miss our next live stream this Saturday, November 19th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern. We'll announce our winners from October. We'll do some Winner's Circle guest product reviews, have a few live giveaways, and much more. Out of the box is the dash cam, an adhesive mount, rear box camera, power cabling, a 32 gigabyte SD card, and an instruction manual. The dash cam itself is advertised as a 4K camera with 170-degree field of view and night vision mode built in. There's an SD card slot for live recordings and apparently both GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity. We'll talk about why I say apparently a little later on. As for the rear camera, there isn't much info online or in the manual, only that it's got a 150-degree field of view and a slightly smaller aperture. Installing the dash cam is surprisingly easy. The mount sticks to your windshield, and then the camera clips firmly into place. Power comes courtesy of this long cable, which eventually plugs into your car's cigarette lighter socket. The rear camera nests in the ceiling upholstery of most cars, and you've been given enough cabling to tuck it away neatly. After inserting the supplied 32 gigabyte micro SD card, the camera should power on and begin recording as soon as you start your car. You're able to access the menu from the buttons on the side, but just like the rear camera, the instructions on how to navigate the menu are a little unclear. And if all else fails, recording to the SD card is still available. So, how does the footage stack up? Wow, and just like it said on the box, the resolution on this dash cam is magnificent. Cars and license plates are crisp and clear, and there's no mistaking a red light for green. So let's see how it compares with another dash cam at the same price point. Head-to-head, the ORIbox dash cam versus the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Who's a better bang for your buck? While the Garmin Mini 2 is almost twice the price as the ORIbox, keep in mind most dash cams sit around $120 for the base model. The ORIbox does win when it comes to price and the inclusions of both a rear camera and screen. While the camera resolution might be debatable, what isn't is the product and app support you get from Garmin. For the price, ORIbox is your dash cam. But if you're going for quality and reliable app features, then the Garmin Mini 2 might be more suited to you. But before we give you our official review to you rating, let's hear from the man behind the wheel.
Don't be fooled by the $65 price tag. This is actually a pretty darn good dash cam. And let me tell you why. First off, the price. $65 does what you need it to do. It's 4K image quality. I mean, great both day and night quality as you saw from the video. But here's what makes it a great camera. Is there's no app. You don't have to worry about 6 months down the road, you haven't used the camera for a while, you're getting ready to go for a trip, you want to use it. Where'd the app go? You don't remember which one it is. Like, those apps are a waste of time when it comes to this. If something happens or you see Halley's Comet go across the road, you got it right here on the SD card. That's all you need, right? Pop it out, you know it's safe. To me, I'd rather do without the app. That's the way to go. And this $65 camera, it gets the job done. And that's what makes it a great buy.
Thanks, Matt. While this dash cam does produce some decent video footage, the poor instruction manual and old school power cabling do let this product down a little. We're going to give it a 6 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick one up for $64.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win hours for free. To enter, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and then find the hashtag we've hidden somewhere in today's review. Once you've done all three, click the link in the description below, enter the hidden hashtag, and your YouTube username, and that's it. You've entered. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. And if you want more exclusive Review to You content and perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only giveaways, then become a member of our Winner Circle. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and that link up on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. Hey, and we've got a merchandise store now. You can check that out down below on the right. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys next time.